Oh, hello, boys. What are you doing here today?
Oh, do you know Max Davis?
Yes.
Well, can we please check his room? Did he check out or?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, he got murdered a few days ago.
So it's right up there?
Yep.
It's right up. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry about Max.
Right, so that's all we can do from here. Let's look for a country.
Yeah.
Check like under the bed or something.
Yeah.
Could be anywhere.
Andrew,
Yeah?
look at this knife. It's been used.
There's covers on it.
And look, it's like someone's went nuts in here.
Yeah, like seriously, look at all this. It's like they had an obsession. Ah! Oh my god, dude, the clerk! Let's go! Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god.
God, is this good? Wait, dude. Maybe the maid knows something. Like, let's go. Have you seen anybody, like, come and kill somebody or, like, somebody dead over there or something?
No, what are you talking about? I haven't seen it.
Well, I don't know, just... Okay, just... Dude,
Body's gone.
body's gone. Wait, let's check upstairs. Oh my god. Dude,
What?
this is the same one. Wait, it says, I will be back. It kind of looks like it's written in...
Blood.
Dude, this is like... Is there anything on the back?
Oh, crud.
Wait, dude, we already checked up here a bunch of times. Maybe we should go outside because he said I will be back. It means he might still be on the loose. We can still catch him. Let's go.
Yeah, right.
Okay, just stay here, guard. I might come back. The heck, man? Dude. Ah! Okay. You okay? Dude, are you? Oh God, he's dead. God. It's you. You crazy bastard. Who are you? Wait, so it's right up there?
Dude, it's filming right now.
I know. Does it get separated from
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
It's like, it doesn't say where this is made.
Ah!
Doesn't say where this is made.
No!
Sorry.